Hi, this video presentation is to explain to you how to do section breaks in a Microsoft Office 2007 document. And for the purposes of this example, I'm going to be talking about the final report for Writing 320. And the example that I have up on the screen is a mock-up of the report after I've created the basic components using the Styles Guide up here at the top of the screen. I have my text in place, I have my sections. At this point, I'm ready to put in page numbers. So if you'll notice in the example in the textbook that starts on page 322, the table of contents and the abstract have page numbers that are lowercase Roman numerals, and the rest of the report has traditional numbering. So I want to create a section break after my abstract that's going to allow me to create page numbers as Roman numerals for the abstract and table of contents, and page numbers that are traditional numbers for the introduction and rest of the text. But I want this to all be in one document. The first thing I'm going to do is place my cursor right after the abstract of my document. I'm going to go to the top of my page and choose Page Layout. I'm going to select the Breaks section. And under Section Breaks, I'm going to choose to insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So I'm creating a section break, I'm moving the introduction down to my second page, and I'm leaving my abstract on the first page. So I clicked on that option, and now you see my abstract on one page, my introduction and the remainder of my text on the next page. The next thing that I'm going to go back in and do is insert page numbers into the section that contains my abstract. So the first section of my text is going to have page numbers that are lowercase Roman numerals. So I go back up to Insert, I go over to Page Number, I go down to Format Page Numbers because I want to change my page numbering option to lowercase Roman numerals. I select OK, and then I'm going to go into the section, click page number again, and add that page number to the top of the page. So now what you see is a lowercase Roman numeral at the top of the abstract page. I'm then going to scroll down, and if you notice here on my second section or my second page, it is started with formal traditional numeric numbers, not Roman numerals. I'm double clicking on that because I want to go back up to the page number area, which should appear at the top of your screen. Click on that, go down to Format Page Numbers, and I want to select under the page numbering section for it to start at 1. I click OK. And now I have an abstract that is in lowercase Roman numerals. I have a first page of my introduction that is in traditional numerals. The next step of what I'm going to do is go back in and add that table of contents in front of the abstract. So I'm going to put my cursor right at the beginning of this page, probably before that heading where it says Abstract. Go up to the top, click on Insert, and Blank Page. My abstract is now on my second page, and I have a new page at the beginning where I can insert my table of contents. So at this point, I want my table of contents to go in, and I want that table of contents to pull all of those headings that I've already set up in my document. I'm going to go to References, choose to insert my table of contents, select the type of table of contents I'd like. My table of contents is automatically generated on page 2 of my document. When I did that, it bumped my abstract back up onto that page. All I have to do is go back into Insert again, add a blank page, and it moved my abstract back down on my document. So now you can see I have a page that could be my cover page. I can go in, select different first page, and take that page number